I'm Shannon at That's the Moment. Today, hi, I'm Shannon at That's the Moment. Today, what we did was we went shopping at Ikea. And what I love at Ikea seems really simple, but they're really inexpensive. I got their washcloths. I use them for kitchen towels or washcloths. They're white with this little red little string through them, and they're very indispensable. They get really dirty, I just throw them away, or you just add a little bleach and try to get the stains out. But I really like them. So I also really like the utensils that they have at Ikea. I had bought a couple of sets, so today, for only like $5.95, I was able to get a refill pack, which was very inexpensive. And that way it kind of helps me refill the utensils. With a large family, we're always losing utensils because people take them to work for lunches, or they throw them away by accident, or sometimes they don't. But it was really inexpensive, so I went ahead and got that. We also bought a great lamp for my husband. He wanted for a reading lamp. And then we had a snack. And since we're on keto, we did splurge and have a diet soda, which is very rare. I haven't had a diet soda in months. It tasted fantastic. And then we also got 2 hot dogs, which we threw away the bun, and I just added mustard. Ikea hot dogs, not quite as good as Costco, but it was still a great deal. We had a lot of fun today, found some good bargains, and I highly recommend Ikea if you've never been. It's a different kind of a shopping experience. Stay tuned and I'll tell you my 5 favorite things at Ikea next time. And that's the moment.